Welcome students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Hello students. In Information Technology, we'll study Chapter 6 E-Commerce and E-Governance, Part 4, which is last part of this chapter. Security measures in e-commerce. E-commerce security is used for safe electronic transactions. Encryption is widely used on the internet to protect user information being sent between a sender and a receiver. It means data is encrypted to convert it into coded format or secure format and then sent over the internet. This encrypted data cannot be viewed by anyone except the intended receiver. Encryption is done for passwords, payment information, and other personal information that is considered private. It consists of two processes, encryption and decryption. Encryption converts plain text into ciphertext, means non-readable form of data. With this, the actual message, say hi, is converted into coded format which is non-readable by anyone and then sent over the internet. Decryption is exactly opposite process of encryption. It converts ciphertext into plain text, that is, it converts coded data back into its original form, which can be read only by the intended receiver who has the key. Encryption is of two types. First, symmetric, that is shared secret encryption. It uses a single key that needs to be shared among people who receives the message. Second, asymmetric, that is public key encryption. It uses a pair of public key and private key to encrypt and decrypt the message while communicating. Sender converts the plain data into coded form or ciphertext using a key to encrypt the message and then sends it over the internet. When it reaches to the receiver, he has to decrypt the message to convert it into plain text by using the same key so that he can read the message. Digital signature. Digital signature is also known as an electronic signature. Normally, when you sign any document, it tells that the document belongs to you and you are responsible for it. Similarly, if a message is digitally signed, any change in the message after signature invalidates the data. Digital signature guarantees the authenticity of an electronic document or message in digital communication. Means digital signature ensures that the data received by you is from the authentic or correct person and it is not modified by anyone. It uses encryption technique type asymmetric cryptography to provide proof of original and unmodified documentation. Signatures are used in e-commerce, software distribution, financial transactions. This is the direct transfer of information between two partners. Certificate is an electronic password that allows a person, organization to exchange data securely over the internet using the public infrastructure PKI. That means it is an electronic form of identification like password which verifies the identity of its owner during the exchange of data over the internet. PKI provides standard format to digital certificate for highest level of security and universal acceptance of the data. Digital certificate is also known as a public key certificate or identity certificate. In this information, is transferred between two authorized partners who have digital certificates issued by some supreme authority. Digital certificate issued by recognized authorities should be taken from the partners before exchange of their data over the internet. Digital signature verifies trustworthiness of the data being sent, whereas digital certificate verifies trustworthiness of a person or the sender. In next PPT, we'll start with the new chapter. Thank you.